Have you ever walked into your home and felt a strange heaviness in the air, even when everything looked clean? Have you been working hard, doing your best, yet opportunities keep slipping away, money feels stuck, and your mind never fully rests? If so, this is not your fault. In Feng Shui, we understand that homes can silently accumulate dense, stagnant energy over time. This invisible weight doesn't just sit in corners. It blocks prosperity, weakens emotional stability, and quietly disrupts the natural flow of abundance in your life. But today, I'm going to reveal a powerful vinegar-based cleansing method used for generations to cut through this energetic stagnation and immediately restore clarity, protection, and flow. In this video, you will learn exactly how to use vinegar as an energetic conductor in 3 critical locations inside your home that directly influence wealth, peace, and opportunity. One of these places is somewhere you pass every single day, yet almost everyone ignores it. When this is done correctly, many people begin to notice lighter air, calmer emotions, improved sleep, and unexpected opportunities appearing naturally. But there is also one mistake most people make that completely cancels the results, and I will show you how to avoid it. Stay with me until the end, and if you are ready to restore prosperity and protect your home, type in the comments, "I allow abundance to return to my life." For over 40 years, I have studied how this invisible buildup influences the destiny of those living inside a space. I have seen homes where nothing changed physically, yet everything changed energetically, and with that shift, opportunities began to return. What many people don't realize is that removing this stagnation does not require expensive tools or complex rituals. One of the most powerful energetic conductors has been sitting silently in your home all along. Vinegar, not as a cleaner, but as a spiritual solvent capable of dissolving the invisible residue that holds prosperity back. When used correctly, it sends a clear signal that stagnation no longer belongs in your life, and movement can begin again. Before we continue, it is important to understand that energy responds not only to action, but to intention. In Feng Shui, transformation begins the moment you make a conscious decision to allow change to enter your life. This is why I invite you to take a simple but powerful step right now. Go to the comments and type, "I allow prosperity, protection, and new opportunities to enter my home." This is not just a sentence, it is a declaration. When you write it, you align your mind, your space, and your future with movement instead of stagnation. Many people underestimate how powerful this moment of decision truly is, but those who participate often report feeling a subtle shift, begin almost immediately. Also, take a moment to support this knowledge so it can reach those who need it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. This ensures you continue receiving guidance that protects your space and strengthens your prosperity. When you engage with intention, you are no longer a passive observer. You become an active participant in restoring the natural flow of abundance within your life and your home. Long before modern homes, long before synthetic cleaners and artificial fragrances, ancient practitioners understood that certain natural substances carried the ability to influence not just the physical world, but the energetic one as well. Among these, vinegar held a unique and respected role. In traditional Feng Shui teachings, vinegar was never viewed as ordinary. It was recognized as a purifier capable of dissolving invisible residue that accumulated in living spaces over time. Buddhist monks, spiritual healers, and energy practitioners used it to cleanse environments after illness, emotional distress, or prolonged stagnation. They understood that physical cleaning removed what the eyes could see, but vinegar helped release what could still be felt long after the visible signs were gone. This is because every emotional experience leaves behind a subtle, energetic imprint. Stress, fear, disappointment, and conflict do not simply disappear when the moment ends. They linger, attaching themselves to surfaces, corners, and objects, quietly influencing the emotional and energetic atmosphere of a home. In feng shui, this buildup disrupts the natural circulation of qi, the life force that governs clarity, emotional balance, and prosperity. Vinegar acts as an energetic solvent. Its natural acidity carries a symbolic frequency that breaks apart stagnation, allowing trapped energy to release and movement to return. But this power does not activate equally everywhere. There are specific locations where energetic accumulation concentrates more heavily, and when vinegar is applied, there with intention, its ability to restore flow becomes significantly stronger. The main entrance of your home is far more than a physical doorway. In feng shui, it is known as the mouth of qi, the primary portal through which energy enters and begins its journey throughout your entire living space. Every opportunity, every connection, and every moment of forward movement symbolically crosses this threshold before reaching you. But just as it allows energy to enter, it also collects what others leave behind. The emotional states of visitors, the stress carried home from difficult days, and even your own moments of doubt can settle into this space. Over time, this accumulation creates resistance. The entrance no longer feels open and welcoming on an energetic level. Instead, it becomes heavy, slow, and restrictive, quietly limiting the natural flow of prosperity and clarity into your life. To restore this portal, prepare a simple mixture of clean water and fresh vinegar in a small container. Take a soft cloth and begin wiping the door handle, the frame, and the threshold. Move slowly and intentionally, always guiding your motion from the inside toward the outside. This direction is symbolic. It represents the release of stagnation and the reopening of energetic flow. As you clean, maintain a calm and steady state of mind. You are not simply wiping a surface. You are dissolving energetic residue that may have been silently accumulating for months or even years. Many people report that after performing this cleansing, the entrance begins to feel lighter, more welcoming, as if the space itself has taken a deep breath and reset its natural balance. While the entrance is where energy arrives, the bathroom is where energy leaves. In feng shui, this space is considered the primary drainage center of the home, not only physically but energetically. Every time water flows down a drain, it carries away more than what is visible. It symbolically represents release, disposal, and emotional clearing. This is why bathrooms naturally accumulate the energetic residue of stress, fatigue, illness, and emotional exhaustion. Over time, this constant process of release can weaken the energetic stability of the entire home. You may begin to notice subtle signs. Motivation fades faster, emotional resilience becomes thinner, financial progress feels inconsistent. Even when nothing appears wrong, there's a quiet sense that something is slowly draining your momentum. To interrupt this silent loss, vinegar can be used to reset the energetic balance of the bathroom. Prepare a fresh mixture of vinegar and clean water. Using a soft cloth, gently wipe areas that are often overlooked. Focus on corners, the base of the toilet, faucet handles, and the surfaces surrounding the sink. Move your hand in slow, circular motions. These movements symbolically break apart stagnant energetic patterns and restore natural circulation. As you do this, maintain a calm and grounded state of mind. Many people describe feeling an unexpected sense of emotional relief during this process, as if tension they were carrying without awareness begins to dissolve. The bathroom, once a place of energetic loss, becomes a place where stability and balance quietly return. If the entrance welcomes energy and the bathroom releases what is no longer needed, the bedroom is where energy is restored and renewed. In Feng Shui, the bedroom is considered the most sensitive, energetic environment in the entire home because it is where you are most vulnerable. Every night, your mind releases conscious control, and your body enters a state of deep receptivity. This means the energetic condition of this space directly influences your emotional balance, mental clarity, and ability to move forward in life. When energetic residue accumulates here, its effects often appear subtly at first. Sleep feels less restorative, thoughts become heavier, emotional tension lingers longer. Over time, this stagnation can quietly weaken confidence, disrupt relationships, and create resistance in areas connected to prosperity and opportunity. To restore the bedroom's natural harmony, prepare a fresh vinegar solution and begin cleansing the surfaces closest to where your body rests and reflects. Gently wipe the edges of the bed frame, nightstands, drawer handles, and especially mirrors. In Feng Shui, mirrors are powerful energetic amplifiers. They do not simply reflect your image, they reflect emotional states and multiply the energetic condition of the room. When emotional residue accumulates on their surfaces, it can reinforce cycles of tension and restlessness. As you cleanse these areas, move slowly and with intention, allowing your mind to remain calm and steady. Many people notice that after this process, the bedroom begins to feel quieter, safer, and more supportive, allowing emotional stability and inner strength to naturally rebuild. Once the main energetic pathways of the home have been cleansed, there is a deeper layer of stagnation that sometimes remains hidden beneath the surface. This is where the combined use of vinegar and salt becomes especially powerful. In Feng Shui, salt has long been recognized as a stabilizing element capable of absorbing and containing dense, energetic residue. While vinegar dissolves and loosens stagnation, salt captures and anchors what has been released, preventing it from settling back into the environment. Together, they create a complete cycle of energetic extraction and stabilization, allowing the home to fully reset its natural balance. To perform this advanced ritual, place a small amount of salt into a clear glass container, then pour fresh vinegar over it. Position this container in an area where the atmosphere has previously felt heavy or emotionally tense. Leave it undisturbed for 24 hours. During this time, the mixture symbolically draws out stagnant energy that has accumulated in the space. Some people notice subtle physical changes in the mixture, which reinforces the sense that energetic movement is occurring. When the time has passed, carefully dispose of the contents outside the home. This final step symbolizes the complete removal of stagnation and the restoration of energetic clarity. Once the cleansing itself is complete, there are simple actions that can significantly strengthen and stabilize the results. In Feng Shui, energetic movement does not end when the physical action stops. The environment continues to respond to intention, atmosphere, and emotional state. One of the most important steps is allowing fresh air to circulate through your home. Open windows and doors for several minutes, allowing stagnant energy to leave and new movement to enter. This physical exchange mirrors the energetic shift you have just initiated, reinforcing the restoration of natural flow and balance throughout the space. Your emotional state also plays a critical role in stabilizing this transformation. After completing the ritual, remain calm and present. Avoid immediately returning to stress or distraction. Even a few moments of stillness allows the energetic reset to settle more deeply. Some practitioners choose to express gratitude quietly, acknowledging the restoration of clarity and protection within their home. This reinforces emotional alignment with abundance rather than stagnation. Over time, these small reinforcing actions help ensure that the environment continues to support emotional stability, mental clarity, and the steady return of prosperity. There is one important truth that must be understood. Vinegar is not only a cleanser, it is an amplifier. It interacts with the energetic state present at the moment it is used. This means that the effectiveness of the ritual depends entirely on the condition of both the substance and the person performing it. One of the most common mistakes is using vinegar that is old, contaminated, or previously opened for long periods without care. When the substance itself has lost its purity, its ability to dissolve stagnation weakens significantly. Always use fresh, clean vinegar prepared specifically for the cleansing process, ensuring that it carries the clarity needed to restore energetic balance. Equally important is your emotional state. Performing the ritual while feeling fear, anger, or desperation can interfere with the restoration process. Because vinegar amplifies intention, it responds best to calm, grounded awareness. This does not mean forcing emotions away, but rather allowing yourself to enter the process with steady presence. When approached with clarity and quiet confidence, the cleansing becomes far more effective, allowing your home to fully release what no longer belongs. Your home is not just a structure of walls, doors, and objects. It is a living, energetic field that responds constantly to what is carried into it, what is released within it, and what is allowed to remain. When the entrance is clear, opportunities find their way to you more easily. When the bathroom is balanced, your strength and emotional stability stop quietly draining away. When the bedroom is restored, your inner foundation becomes calm, resilient, and capable of supporting forward movement. Through these simple but intentional actions, you are no longer passively living inside your environment. You are actively shaping the energetic conditions that influence your clarity, your emotional peace, and your prosperity. Now, I encourage you to do something powerful. Write in the comments below, "I allow prosperity, protection, and new opportunities to enter my home." This is more than just engagement. It is a way of setting your intention into movement. Declaring your focus in a public space sends a strong, energetic message that you are ready to align with your goals. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more content on Buddhist teachings, feng shui, and ancient wisdom. And don't forget to share this with someone who could use a little more prosperity in their life. Let's spread the energy of abundance together. See you in the next video.